And fam, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing? Are y'all all right? Are you staying calm? Are you doing well? I know right now things are crazy, and listen, this is what I've been telling myself, my loved ones, my clients. Y'all, we can't maintain and operate in a state of panic. I am aware of what's going on. However, I'm not going to panic because it's not going to serve us. I am not going to just sit here and constantly consume all the news and the media because that does not do anything for us mentally and emotionally and physically. So be aware, stay prayed up, but don't be panicked because we can't operate rationally when we are in a panic state. But anywho, today we are doing a wear test on the new Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer. I am rocking the shade 420. I have been testing this bad boy out. I already have my thoughts, so now I want you guys to come along with me throughout the day. So let me go ahead and zoom you in. We have nothing on the skin. We are all ready to rock and roll. So I'm just going to use a sponge to blend it out here. Did I mention? Yeah, shade 4.20W Deep Golden. And actually pause. I will wear the Beauty Blender foundation with it. I wasn't going to wear foundation today, but for the sake of keeping it the same brand. And this is in the shade 4.30 Amber. How fitting, right? I've been wearing this foundation too. You guys know that I was just, I broke up with foundation, liquid foundation, because it just wasn't sitting right and looking good on my skin. And I think a lot of that was just due to the weather. It's feeling like spring. It's basically already spring. It's been warmer, and the foundation formulas that I was using, they were more so my winter foundations, and they just weren't sitting right. But for the sake of the video, because I knew we were going to do a wear test, I figured, you know what, I never tried out the foundation either, so I'll just play with that. I wasn't expecting to like it, but I do. I will say with the foundation, this is a matte foundation, so if you are dry skin, you probably won't like this very much. But if you are someone who is an oily skin girl like myself, you, my friend, will like this. I did not mean to put that. I don't put foundation under my eyes because I don't like to load up a lot of product under there. I like to leave the under eye area space blank for the concealer. So this foundation is matte, and it is not a crazy full coverage. It kind of reminds me of the Fenty, just how it goes on, the coverage of it, and how it wears. I have thoroughly been enjoying this, and I'm only using the sample. I didn't buy it. I'm debating if I'm gonna buy it or not. It's a good chance I might, just simply because my Fenty foundation is almost out. It's my third bottle, and I think we're just gonna switch over to a new staple foundation. All right, so skin's looking nice, evens, complexion, concealer. It only takes a little bit, okay? It doesn't take a lot of this one, so. And as soon as I put it on, I like to go ahead and blend it out. This concealer is matte. She does dry down. She does set. So you just make sure you go right ahead and start blending it out. I know most of us, we put it on one eye and the other, blend here, then go over there. Don't recommend that with this one. And this is full coverage. I love the shade of it. I love how it looks. And I've also been wearing this concealer with other foundations too. I've mainly been wearing, this is the only liquid foundation that I have been wearing if I wear it, but I've mainly been wearing powder foundation, which you guys know because I've been talking about that a lot. All right, so concealer over here. No concealer. I mean, look, this is like The Walking Dead, and this is like, a ray of sunlight. That's pretty terrible looking. Sheesh. It's all right, we're gonna fix it. We are going to fix it. What's going on with everyone? How's life, y'all? What's up? it's just been, whew. I can say for me, my personal life, it's just been a little bit of a roller coaster. Y'all ever just get in situations with just life where you just feel like you are fighting the good fight, you are doing all that you can, but no matter what, stuff just keeps happening, like all of these minor bumps in the road start adding up to large potholes. That's how I'm feeling right now. But we're staying afloat. We will not be discouraged. I've had moments of feeling discouraged, but we will not be discouraged. We're gonna keep on pushing, keep on trucking. You know why? Because I serve a great God. Can I get an amen? Ooh. And I took this foundation way too high. Dang it, I never put foundation on my forehead. Well, for one, because it never matches, and just foundation on the forehead on anyone, it just never looks good. There we go. All right, so here's the foundation, here's the concealer, what it's looking like up under the eyes. Go ahead and zoom you in, let you know right off the bat, this concealer does crease on me. It does settle. So just want to show you guys, can y'all see that, how it's settling in that line? But obviously you can't tell, that's just my eye set when I'm looking straight ahead, but just wanted to let you know, it's gonna settle on in there a little bit. I'm going to do my best to smooth that out. Where's my concealer brush? And I caught way too much. Just want to smooth that out a tish. And she's full coverage. If you have not noticed, this is full coverage. And our next concealer wear test, because concealers are just the thing right now. Last year it was foundations, this year's concealer will be the new Dior concealer. Okay, and then to set it, of course, my trusty mineralized skin finish in the shade Dark. We are going back to good old loose powder. I'm gonna set a light set the rest of my face with the ABH loose powder. Alright guys, so this is what the face is looking like. I am going to go ahead, finish up the rest of my makeup, and then we'll be right back. Okay, I am back. This is the finished makeup look. I have on the Too Faced Born This Way, the natural nudes on my eyes. Guess what? On the lid, I have these two light shades. Yes, we too, us brown girls, can rock those shades. I'll have a video on that coming soon though. But this is today's look. This is what we're looking like up under the eyes so far. Let me zoom you back in so you guys can see how things are sitting and settling. All right, so it's currently 10:42. My first client is at 11:30, so I need to get moving. And I have a fairly easy day, so I will be sure to check in with you guys. Wanted to make sure I showed you guys what it's looking like before I go to work in some natural lighting here. Don't want to mess it up, but you guys can see how it is already creasing. But it looks beautiful from a distance. Just don't run up on me when I'm wearing this concealer, okay? All right, and fam, currently 3:45. This is what we're looking like. So mascara is running, but that typically happens when it gets warm out. So ignore that, but we've got shifting, we've got creasing. Foundation looks good. The concealer situation, not so much. I'll try to walk up front into some natural light for you. So I'm in the car, and Marilla just asked me if I'd been crying. I said, no, why? He's like, because you have mascara and stuff running here.
the mascara's no good, and I'm sorry.
What? Yeah, so Murillo. It's not the mascara. I can't wear this mascara when it gets warm out because it runs, but I am testing out a new concealer, and look at it creasing and cracking. I look about 1,000 years old. It's 5 o'clock, by the way.
4:54.
5 o'clock.
6 minutes.
Okay. Alright, you guys. I am back. It is currently 7:25 p.m. back home from work. You guys, it was a draining day mentally at work. Just the overconsumption of coronavirus content. What's today's date? Today is the 14th. And I am drained mentally, but like I was telling my clients, we are safe. We are all good in Jesus' name. Of course, be smart about things, you know. Just keep washing your hands like you've been doing. Like maybe just don't go out into large groups of people. But outside of that, y'all are seeing how this concealer is looking on me, and boy, are things looking crazy. Now, outside from my messy concealer that has ran on me, that is not the concealer's fault. When it gets warm, Bad Gal Bang runs on me, so I have to just switch out my mascara. That's not the concealer's fault. However, just the heavy creasing and sliding, and even for Murillo to even notice that there was just something up with my makeup, I was kind of like, yeah, today just was not a good day. I have a love-hate relationship with this concealer, you guys. I love the shade. I love the pigmentation. I love that it is full coverage. I love how it looks in photographs. It just looks beautiful. I hate how it settles on me. I have tried to just make this work and see if I could figure it out, but I've tried setting it with mineralized skin finish. Didn't work. I tried setting it with my AVH loose powder. Didn't work. I tried setting it with my Kat Von D under eye brightening powder. Doesn't work. And the thing that gets me is, as soon as I put it on, it immediately starts to settle. Now, we have to be realistic because there is never going to be any product on the market that is truly creaseless, because if you are alive and well and breathing and make any type of facial expression, have any type of little anything under the eyes, guess what? Eventually, something's going to shift. However, I would at least like to get through, I don't know, 6 hours of my day before anything starts looking crazy on me. It's so unfortunate because I really wanted this concealer to work, because like I said, there are so many good qualities, but one of the main make or breaks for me is this going to settle and make me look crazy? And it does. So unfortunately, we just went ahead and put her back in the box because she is going back to where she came from. I am someone who does not have dry skin, dry under eyes. So if you are that person, you have dry skin, you have dry under eyes, mature skin, I just simply do not recommend this. The foundation, however, love the foundation. I think the foundation is beautiful. I did blot after you guys saw me in the car with Murillo, just because we had to go into the store and try to just get some food to make for dinner, and everything was gone in the grocery store, and that low-key, not low-key, high-key, that stressed me out. That just really irritated me, because it's just kind of like, you guys, like I said, be smart, be prepared, but it's like, we just trying to make a little dinner, have a little Saturday night dinner, little in-home date, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the Beauty Blender Concealer. Down below, y'all, you don't even gotta tell me how it looks, because I know it looks like trash. But let me know if you have tried it. And if you have tried it and it looks good on you, it works on you, please let me know your magic, sis, because I've tried all week long and I end up looking like this. So you guys know the deal. Please stay safe, be smart, don't panic. Keep it simple, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.